Hi there, my name is Bridget Photo, and I'm the owner of Fit Nutrition Canada. I'm a registered nutritional therapist, and my background is in neuroscience, biochemistry, nutritional sciences, and nutritional counseling. So I combine nutrition as a science with eating as a behavior and the intersection between those two in order for clinicians, for personal trainers to prevent disordered eating and eating disorders. So I'm here to tell you a little bit more about the course that's being promoted through CANNP and CanFit Pro. They are qualified for continuing education credits, I believe, if you are certified, and you will be getting 50% off if you sign up this week. The course starts next Tuesday, and I do a live version of the course, but I also send out the recordings. You will receive an additional discount if you just want to catch the recordings. Now, the way this program develops is you're working from the science component, so you're spending 4 weeks doing advanced nutritional sciences. The key here is that you are taking research and being able to give applicable tools to your clients. For example, how can your clients easily determine as they scroll through social media the difference between pseudoscience and actual nutrition science so that they have the information? How can they customize and develop their own meal plans by themselves as the years go on? How do they get in tune with their hunger cues? So we take that information and then we transition after the first month into body image. So what do you do when you have clients who are struggling with body image? And the reason we spend 4 weeks on this is because it's very, very, very in depth. Again, we are going to take the science and the research and we are going to give you tools that are applicable to use, such as things on the floor. What do you say in session when somebody says something detrimental towards their body? How can you be a coach that's going to help them for the rest of their lives with body image? That our last 4 sessions, what we do is we talk about overcoming self-sabotaging behavior. And this is where the real moneymaker is in terms of your business, because your number one business tool is usually your referrals and making sure that your clients not only get to their goals, but they're able to maintain. The thing about a lot of behavior change models in nutritional coaching, holistic nutrition, as well as for healthcare practitioners and personal trainers, is that we're constantly replacing a habit with a habit, or we're band-aiding something. And this is where we focus on our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. So if we're constantly just trying to replace a behavior with a behavior or give tips and tricks and promoting more almost diet mentality, those sort of behaviors are going to have a negative consequence on our emotions and our thoughts. And from there, that's how behaviors don't stick, because it's leaving your client with something that's not sustainable. So what we do is the opposite. I teach you how to approach your clients and how to change their thoughts and their emotions so that you get a better behavioral outcome. Okay, so this course is 12 weeks. It's regular $9.99. And you also get one-on-one coaching calls with me all the way through. So please reach back out to me right away if you are interested in joining. I want to make sure that your clients get the results that they're looking for, and you are promoting healthy behaviors and preventing disordered eating and eating disorders. So again, the 3 components: nutrition as a science is the big one. We are applying, you have to have a baseline knowledge in nutrition to even attend these first 4. Then we go all about body image and having a healthy relationship with body. And we end with your clients making sure that they don't self-sabotage their own success. Okay, so message me back right away if you're interested in that. Again, my name is Bridget Photo. I'm the owner of Fit Nutrition Canada. The best ways to get a hold of me are by email, info@Fit Nutrition Canada. You can hit me up on Instagram at Fit Nutrition Counseling, or by phone or text 226-787-8660. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this little intro. And if you ever have any questions, I also do other mentorship programs. I take clients one-on-one. If you have a client who's struggling with how they eat and the relationship with food and the relationship with their body, or you suspect some sort of disordered eating, don't hesitate to reach out to me and we can work out a referral system as well. Okay, all right, great to meet you, and please keep in touch. Cheers then. Hopefully I'll see you in class though. Okay, bye-bye.